Sit down. Alright, who want to go inside the big bubble? Hands up. Remember the rules. No one will stand up. And if you follow my rules, I will put you inside the big bubble. Sino po ang kasama ni Ian?
Alia!
Okay, who wants to get more balloons? Raise your hands. Raise your hands if you want to get more. Who wants to get more? Raise your hands. Okay, to the kids, who wants to get a balloon? You have to sit down properly. Raise your hand patiently. I don't want to see kids who are shouting, standing up. Okay. Who are we going? We are looking for a girl. Anyone from the girls? Girls. Hopefully the girl does not have a balloon. Okay, so I think most of all of the girls got one already. So let's have the boys. Anyone from the boys? This one. You don't have a balloon? Where's your balloon? You don't have? Okay, come here, sir. Okay, come here. In the middle, okay. Huh? You will dance. No, you will dance. No, come here, you will dance. Ayos, sayang. Later, I'll call you after later, okay? Okay, you, come here. Ah, meron na to? Okay, you sit down, meron na to. Anyone else from this side?
Alia!
Okay, you sir, you don't have a balloon. Go, go! Now this time, let's have one from the birthday cake. Ava, where's Ava? Ava! Where is Ava? Okay, there you go. Hello, baby! Hello, Ava! Okay, come on, hands up! Okay! Tap, tap! Hey, okay! Okay, what is the answer? Princess Poppy! Princess Poppy is! Now this time, let's have the birthday boy. Birthday boy, come here. Huh? Yun that? Binibigyan ako kanina eh. Sabi sa akin, oh. Wag daw. Okay. Birthday boy Ashton. For the very last time, all you need to do is to dance with us and imitate us. And of course, you have to guess the character from the music. Birthday boy, are you ready? Okay, let's march. March. Go. March. Shake it, birthday boy. Come on, shake it. Harder. Okay. Okay. Birthday boy, what is the answer?
Super Mario!
Super Mario is! Yes! It's Super Mario! Okay, let's have a picture with the birthday boy, Ashton, come on! Alright, then of course, to all the mommies and the daddies out there, girls and boys, my name is Hurley, and I have here Archel, Joy, Andrew, and Amon, and we are Tectonics, the dancing balloon show. Of course, if you guys would like to get us for your parties, you can always ask the very beautiful birthday mommy, Miss Minnie, of Happy Age Store. And of course, our birthday family, birthday mommy, birthday daddy, thank you very much for inviting us over, kids, everybody!
Get ready. Web throw!
Avengers, assemble! Here comes Final Justice! Hulk, feel incredible! Hulk smash! Now you face the God of Thunder! Mighty Thunder! Ready! Feel heaven's wrath! We Avengers will always fight the good fight.